welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have 3 a.m. and Danny Ocean with a new song, and it's called, I'm not really sure what it's called, but I think it's called Emeycé or so. I'm not sure about the pronunciation. Anyway, very easy song to play. It's only 2 chords. We will really get our possibility here to practice the C and G, because that is what's going on here. C and G and 1 strumming pattern. That's it, guys. So very easy. Let's start to look at these 2 chords, starting with C here. 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. That's how you hold the C. And the 2nd and final chord, the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so it goes back and forth with these 2 chords. C, I'm gonna play 4 string rounds, and then G, 4 as well. And it goes back and forth like this, okay? So you really have the opportunity now to nail these 2 chords with your left hand. At least, so let's take a look at the strumming pattern, starting with C. And yeah, it's very easy. Down, up, clap, down. That's 1 round. So down, up, clap, down. So 4 rounds of C and 4 rounds of G goes like this. Yeah, so guys, this is the new song from 3 a.m. and Danny Ocean. So it doesn't have to be harder than that to play great music. So good luck with this one, guys, and play tuned.